Stacker feed demo. Align the center hole of the blade base with the stacker's tray center bar and lower it. Push the stacker to the designated position for loading and unloading the machine blade base. Press stacker's drop button until the red arrow falls to drop position. After the loading is complete, withdraw the stacker. Stacker discharge demo. Push the stacker to the specified loading and unloading position. Press the stacker up button until the red arrow falls to the drop position. Pull out the stacker.